In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email and text message templates in GoHighLevel tutorial. First, make sure you're signed into your GoHighLevel workspace with the right location selected. We'll begin by heading to the marketing area. You'll find it on the left-hand sidebar. Opening marketing gives you access to all the tools you need to communicate with your audience. Next, go into emails. This is where you'll build messages you can reuse across campaigns and automations. Think of it as your home base for writing and organizing content that keeps your brand consistent. From here, click Create Campaign. Even though it says Campaign, this action opens the editor you'll use to craft the content that becomes your repeatable template. It's the same powerful editor you'll draw from whenever you want to send that message again, tweak it for a new audience, or plug it into a workflow. When the template choices appear, choose Blank. Starting from a blank canvas keeps you in full control of structure, tone, and layout. You're not fighting a pre-built design, and you can shape the message to match your voice from the very first line. Now select Plain Text. Plain text is simple, fast, and great for deliverability. It feels personal, renders well on any device, and avoids the formatting issues that sometimes come with heavy designs. If your goal is clarity, conversation, and high inbox placement, plain text is a strong default. With your editor open, customize the content. Begin with a clear subject line that promises value in a few words. Use a natural, friendly opener that sets context and answers why this matters right away. Keep paragraphs short, break up long ideas, and guide readers to one obvious call to action. Add personalization where it helps. Things like a first name can warm up the tone, while dynamic snippets can reference a product, date, or recent action. Keep links descriptive, so people know exactly what happens when they click. If your audience is global, write in plain language and avoid jargon that might not translate. As you write, draft a concise text message version of the same copy. For SMS, stay brief, prioritize the essential benefit, and use a single clear action. Avoid spammy wording, and include compliance-friendly phrasing as required in your region. The email carries the full context. The text acts like a nudge that points people back to the key link or offer. That's it. You've navigated to marketing, opened emails, created your message, chosen a blank plain text starting point, and customized it into a clean, reusable template ready for your campaign.